SmartGrid by Carestream is an enhancement algorithm that addresses the challenges caused by scatter, automatically processing the image to create a scatter-reduced appearance. SmartGrid can be applied manually, or it may be pre-programmed for easier use. First, we'll look at how SmartGrid can be applied manually. Select a patient from the work list and acquire the image. This image has been acquired without a grid. The basic operator has the ability to enable and disable SmartGrid. To apply SmartGrid manually, select the Image Adjustment tab, then select the Change Grid Processing button. Then select the With SmartGrid button. The image will be reprocessed applying the SmartGrid algorithm. The techniques for SmartGrid are lower than the grid technique, but higher than the non-grid technique. For this reason, we recommend selecting SmartGrid prior to exposing to ensure adequate technique. If the amount of processing is insufficient, your key operator can make adjustments to the algorithm by selecting the Preference Editor button and then select the Grid tab. For images that have low contrast with increased scatter, increase the SmartGrid value. For images with adequate contrast and minimal scatter, decrease the SmartGrid value. Once you have finished making your changes, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. SmartGrid is also available on AP abdomens, lumbar spine, pelvis, and hips. Here's an example of an abdomen acquired without a grid. SmartGrid is then applied manually to decrease the amount of scatter and improve the image contrast. SmartGrid can also be applied automatically by assigning a SmartGrid view directly to your list of views for a procedure. Here's an example of a patient where the SmartGrid view is predefined. The image is acquired and the SmartGrid processing is already applied. As seen before, the radiographer has the ability to remove the SmartGrid processing to view the image and reapply if necessary.